Hey everyone, this is our Reveille Bugle Horn Sounds wireless car horn. Now it comes with one remote control. You can purchase additional remote controls if you want, but it does come with one remote control. Now we've got this horn facing down. It's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. Quick and easy installation. Your black wire comes from your horn will go into a ground somewhere. It could be your battery or just anywhere you've got a good ground source. Then your red wire comes from your horn will go to a 12 volt power source. It could be your battery, your fuse, just anywhere you've got a good 12 volt power source. So this is our Reveille Bugle Horn wireless car horn.